In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Weavy for AI motion. Whether you want to bring a still photo to life or create animated visuals from scratch, Weavy makes the process clear and repeatable once you know the key choices and how to prompt. Start by setting up your project. Log into your Weavy AI workspace and create a new project. Right away, decide how you want to work. Choose image to video if you already have a photo, product shot, or scene that you want to animate, or choose text to video if you're starting with only a description. If you're just getting comfortable, image to video is often the easiest path because the subject and framing are already defined. Next, pick the right motion model. Inside Weavy, select a motion engine. For smooth cinematic movement with realistic camera behavior and natural animation, Cdance 2.0 or Cdance 2 is usually your best bet. If you see other video models available, those can be great for stylized looks or faster drafts. But when your goal is polished, filmic motion, stick with Cdance 2. Now set your base image. You can upload a high quality still. Think sharp focus, good lighting, and minimal compression, or generate one inside Weavy using an image model before you animate it. The higher the quality of your starting image, the better the motion will feel. Match the aspect ratio you want for the final video so your framing stays consistent. The motion prompt is where the magic happens. Describe the camera move, the subject's movement, lighting, and overall style in a concise visual way. For example, slow cinematic camera push-in, natural facial movement, soft wind-blowing hair, realistic lighting, shallow depth of field, DSLR look, subtle body motion. For a product ad, try 360-degree slow orbit around product, studio lighting, reflective surface, smooth camera motion, cinematic commercial style. Lead with the camera action, add how the subject should move, then specify lighting and lens mood. Keep it clear and avoid conflicting terms like handheld and locked off in the same line. When you're ready, click Generate. Processing typically takes 1 to 5 minutes depending on complexity. Keep the tab open while it renders. When the video appears, play it back and pay attention to the speed and smoothness of the motion, the realism of the lighting, and how well the camera move matches your prompt. If it feels too fast or too subtle, refine your wording. Use cues like slow, gentle, or dynamic, or switch models for a different vibe. That's the workflow. Set up, choose the right engine, prepare a strong base image, write a focused motion prompt, and generate. Follow these steps and you'll get clean cinematic AI motion out of Weavy with confidence.